Hey folks, Jonathan Walker here, and today we're going to go over in a real quick tutorial how to execute buying a call option contract. A lot of people have been asking, how do you at least execute one? I just don't know how to buy that contract or sell that contract. So today we're going to make a quick tutorial video using the Webull application on how to execute purchasing a call contract. So let's get into it, folks. All right, everybody. So here we go. We got the Webull application pulled up. I'm going to use stock ticker STAR as an example. And you can see once you get to this area right here where you got your trade and everything, you're going to be looking to hit this options button right here. So once you get to the options chain, of course, it's got it pulled up. Buying a call option, I already have one on this $20, so I'm going to be looking to buy that 20 again. And literally all you have to do is click right here in the blank that you want. And then let's go back for a minute. Let me pause it real quick because I made this video earlier. So once you click in that blank of what you want, it's going to bring it up down here. It's going to tell you that, of course, this is your strike price that you're looking for, the May 21st of 21. And once you click in the blank of the actual strike price that you want, and this is like, so it's trading at like 18.55 right now, and I'm picking, I think it's going to go up to $20. So I'm picking the $20 strike. So basically what I do is I just click on this blank, either any of these numbers, it'll highlight it down here, and then I'll click the edit button right there. So once you click the edit button, it will take you to the next screen. You can see this is a long call. I'm buying it. That's my expiration date, and that's my strike price. And then right here where you're going to have your limit price basically. And for Webull, everything is pretty much in 5-cent increments. That's how they make their money and make it commission free, is basically by charging you, where if you were on TD Ameritrade or somewhere else, you'd be able to put it in like single digits. Like you could come in here and pick that exact midpoint. So for this one, we're just going to buy it on the ask, and I'll put it at 10. This is telling me how many contracts I'm buying, and I'm just going to be buying one. And then time to enforce is you'll get to select day or good to cancel, and I'm just going to select day. So once you have all those things and you verified they're what you want, you're just going to hit the buy button. So then the buy button comes on, and because I recorded this earlier, we'll just kind of wait on it to go to the next set for everybody. So now you're at the next screen. This is going to tell you basically everything you're buying. You're buying one star call contract. Basically, this is your symbol. This is your strike price. I'm buying it. One contract. A limit. My limit price. Time to enforce it. How much it's costing me. And then you're going to hit the confirm button. So once you confirm it, bam, the order's in there, and you're just waiting on it to execute. And of course, like anything else, bang, you can see right there in the notification that it executed. So it's pretty simple. So I think basically if you wanted to buy a put, say you wanted to see it going down, you thought that it was going to go down to the $15 range, you can just click on puts right here, and it's going to give you the option of all the puts that are in there. So you click on puts, you can see all the puts. You selected it, and of course, once you highlighted it in there for the $15 range, you would go to of course, hit the next screen, and like you can see right here, it's the same thing. Long put, buy, put, $15 strike, and you would just hit buy, and you would have a put on it now. And then I'm going to show you also how you can execute selling the contracts that you own as well. So back up just a second. So basically all I'm doing is down here, when I pull up that ticker symbol, I can click on positions right here, and it pulls up those positions. So it's going to show you that I have 2 contracts for star. So you can actually just click on this blank right here, and it will pull you to the next screen. So as you can see, it's right here. It pulls you up to this screen, and you would want to say, I want to sell it or I want to close it. So you can pick either one of those. Close, I'm selling my call. I'm going to come in here, and I have 2 of these. So I changed that to limit, and I'm marking it that this is the sell price I want it at. And then that's where you can see good to cancel or day. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. If you don't want to have to set this up each day, then of course you hit, go back so I can, you just, once you get that, you just hit the, once all this info is good to go, you hit the sell, then you hit the confirm button. So once confirmed, it's all good to go, and it's pretty simple, folks. So that's executing, and that's telling you that you have the open orders. So, well, all right, everybody, that was a simple video on how to execute purchasing a options contract. I hope that helped everybody out. And as always, base hits pad the wallet. Johnny Red out, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Amazingly simple.